are you all? We will continue with explanation of chapter number 13, Fun with Magnets, session number 3. In last sessions, children, we have discussed about magnet. We have discussed about types of magnet, how we can exert magnet. We are getting magnet from magnetite, right? It is an ore which is found naturally. Magnet attracts metals. We have learned about alnico, that is aluminium, nickel and cobalt, with which permanent magnets are built. Then we have seen some activities regarding fun with magnets. Today children, we are going to learn more about magnetic poles, right? Last activity we have discussed how we were moving the magnet in the pins and the pins were getting attracted on both the poles, that is south pole and the north pole of the magnet, that is the ends of the magnet, right? So today we are going to discuss about magnetic pole. One more activity we are going to discuss how the magnet is showing the north pole and the south pole. So let's start with our activity. Now hang the bar magnet from a stand using a thread. Means you have to take a stand, right, which is fixed on a wooden block. In that you have to take a thread and you have to tie a magnet in between and you have to hang the magnet. Mark the positions of the magnet of the pole on the sheet of paper below. So here you have to keep sheet of paper and here you have to do marking. That here the magnets are showing this position. Now rotate the magnet first clockwise. Means you have to rotate this magnet which is free flowing on the thread clockwise and anti-clockwise. Both you have to show. Means you have to rotate in circular motion and the reverse, that is clockwise and anti-clockwise both. Mark the positions of the poles each time. So whenever you move the magnet in clockwise, you should mark the position. Whenever you move the magnet in the anti-clockwise, you have to mark the position. You will find that the direction in which the poles point remains the same. So whenever you turn clockwise and anti-clockwise both the time, you will see that the north pole is only pointing. Why? That is because of gravitational force acting, and because of that we are having north pole on the upper side of the earth and south pole in the below the down part of the earth. So magnet is showing the northern side up and southern part down. So what is the conclusion what we have learned in this experiment? When you suspend a bar magnet, one of its pole always points towards the geographical north. Okay, wherever the geographical north means the northern part which our earth is showing, the magnet will point that part only, right? Next, this is called the north pole of the magnet. So whichever is higher and it is showing the northern part, it is the north pole of the magnet. The other pole points towards the geographical south and it is called as south pole of the magnet. So the side which is upper, it is north pole, and the side which is below part, it is called as south pole. So always a magnet shows the northern pole on the upper side and southern pole on the downside, right? This is because of geographical conditions. This is because of the earth is having gravitational pull on it. So the northern part is on the upper side and the southern part is on the downside. Right children? So in this activity we have learned about the poles, that how magnet is attracted towards the poles, right, and it is showing north pole and the south pole. In next session children, we will discuss about mariner's compass. Thank you and have a nice day children.